Afternoon tea at the Empress, it's really about our history and our heritage, as well as where we're going in the future. Going back 110 years when we first started serving tea to now with very elegant surroundings. People, when they come to Victoria, one of the things they definitely want to do is come for tea at the Empress.
Fairmont Gold, we think of ourselves as a boutique hotel, so we're a hotel within a hotel. And you check in with us at our beautiful lounge, and guests will get to enjoy breakfast in the morning, evening hors d'oeuvres. We have a light dessert out in the evening. The experience that we're able to offer is more personalized and ensures that all your preferences are met.
Q Bar and Restaurant is one of the special moments you'll find here at the Empress. We brought everything back to what really made this property so special in the 1930s. And then we've taken that renewed heritage and added a significant local portion. While you're sitting and enjoying a martini, you can really see the hustle and bustle of the city go on in the wonderful, beautiful harbor in front of us.